I don't mind it. I saw some people running, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't been outside all day. I'm like, wow. I'm almost home. Okay, Gerdie, Gerdie, look, are you hungry? Yes, yes, mamash. Nature's recipe today. Nature's recipe. Oh, you excited? Yummy. There you go, baby. There you go. Yeah. Shoes. Yeah. Want some food, baby? You're so cute. I feel like she knows. You know there's a camera, huh? Yeah. We still have our Christmas tree up. It's so gorgeous. Well, I'm taking care of gorditas. My roommate is out of town, so I'm with Gerdie for just the week. And it's my first time taking care of Gerdie. And it's been lovely. She's the most low maintenance dog I've ever met. I'm trying to think, like, have I met anyone that's more low maintenance? But no, Gerdie just goes out, comes back in less than 10 minutes. Could be like 5 minutes. And then she just takes you home. Gerdie knows her routine. She's been here 3 years. So it's been pretty nice. Oh. I love her so much, but she's a Bernadoodle. So she's like so loyal to Mommy's Ava, her Mommy's Ava. Ava made these stars for our Christmas tree, so gorgeous. And then she puts them on the wall. I just love the way Ava decorates. She puts them on this house plant. Yes, Gerdie. Hi, Barbara. You wanna go outside? Yes, are you so excited? Are you so... Yeah, baby? Wow, are you ready? Are you ready? Like, can you see my bedroom? But you can barely see it. Say hi to the people, Gerdies. Say hi to the people. Yeah, you ready? It's below freezing temperatures outside. It's like storm, severe weather. Severe weather in Chicago. In Chicago. So I gotta get my jacket on. Yeah, Gerditas. Yep. All the shoes I gotta clean up. So this is my roommate's dog, Gerdie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And she went on vacation. She went with Sister Sophie. So I feel so privileged that I finally get to take care of Gerditas. Gerditas, amor. And but yeah, she's the most low maintenance dog, right, Mama? I know, I'm sorry. I'm talking to the camera when we're supposed to be going out. She's doing a get ready with me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, Gerdie. Ugh, can't multitask. Yeah. It's cold. It's cold. So we'll put a little heart on that Jeep. You wanna walk, Gerdie? There's a gorgeous little park over there. But Gerdie's is so low maintenance that you don't even bother, huh, Gerdie? We're all done. That was so fast, Gerdie. That was so fast, mamas. Back home. La Gerditas. And there's me. I think you want a treat. I love these ones. Her mommy's Ava bought them. And I think they're so just like aesthetic, beautiful, and probably healthy too. Little bee shapes. Good girl, Gerdie. Good girl, mamash. Yum. Yeah. Yummy, 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 yummy. Eat that. And I just noticed her making this face. I'm like, is she warm? Is she hot? Like, I think she stood up and I was like, let me film her giving you a hug, mama. What's going on? Are you warm? Do you need me to open a window? Do you need a window open? Oh my goodness, she's just the cutest little thing. You know you're the cutest little thing. Look at the color of your tail. It's so pretty. Hi, Gerdie. Oh, she's just on my hand. You're just on my hand, Gerdie? I love that she's like literally human stature. Right, Gerditas. I love you, baby. It's probably too much for her. Mamas! Aw, you liked my hand there, didn't you, sweetie? you're so nice. You're so nice about life. This is basically Gerdie all day, every day. Even when Mommy's Ava is here, right, Mama? There's cuddle and read books. How you feeling, Mama? All brand new spanking snow. I love it. Right, Gerdie? You like it too, Mama? She was running. Can you say hi? Say hi, Mama. I'm here editing the vlog, but I'm also eating. Look, our Christmas tree's gone. So having a little She know what she wants. She wants. Kiss that. Kiss that. Looks like she wants to get it. Let's go see Gerdie. Let's go check on Gerdie.